And once again the power of analysis is proven, and you can see I told you beyond 1755 it will directly lend towards 1765, which is a stronger resistance precisely achieved, retracing. Likewise, I asked you to stay long till the time US30 stays beyond 33050 and specifically 32950. US100 likewise 12900 was the strongest support. I told you yesterday also, today also, and likewise both have seen a good rise. Now what is going to happen with the US cash session? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profit, so do not commit this mistake. Just subscribe and do like, share, comment also. First we'll look into gold, followed with NAS100, and in the end Dow Jones. So do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully. Now see, gold on the hourly charts has seen a high here and it has breached the support here also on the hourly charts, now trying to trade with a drop. Yes, the support there at 1760 is strong. Once it draws below 1760, it will look forward to this zone, that is 1756 to 58. It is looking forward to this zone. It may try to attempt and achieve these levels before looking forward to any further rise. Yes, it can retrace till these levels. A stronger support again previously 1754 levels were the support resistance level for the upside move. Now it will be the support levels for the downside move. Do be watchful of this. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is also willing to converge, crossover for a sell entry. RSI too is overbought and now looking downwards from here. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, it is again, see, higher highs have been done. It was trading outside the Bollinger Bands. It is shown a reversal, trying to reverse, and yes, it had the potential till towards to drop till towards 1758, 1754 levels. Below 1754 only now I will recommend you to go short, but till, remember, see, it has got the support there below 1755. Yes, it has got the support at 1750, and below 1750 we can see again it coming back till towards 1745 levels. Directional movement is bullish. It is willing to converge. The stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. MACD is bullish, willing to converge. RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see the last two candles almost same high it has seen. Previous candle the bulls failed to take it further high, and now it is trying to retrace from these levels. I told you 1765 is a good resistance level. Now if it breaks below 1760, that will open another avenue for us to go short, but then 1758 and 1754, these two levels you should watch out for. Only and only if it breaks 1754, we can see it again achieving 1750, which is a very strong support for the day. Only for the day. If it breaks 1750, it will crash, so I don't think so that it is going to break. But then let's see further into detail. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic is overbought, now again looking downwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish. The RSI is at the top again. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts, trying to create a symmetry on this candle. Just be watchful of 1760. One thing is clear, do not go long till 1765. At the same time, 1760 should be a good support. In fact, below that we may see 1758-57 and then 1754-55 as a good support. If that is breached, then 1750 levels will be seen. Below that we may see a very strong crash for 1745 and below levels. Directional movement is bullish, trying to trade in this bullish zone itself. Stochastic is overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish, may converge from. RSI too is looking upwards, but then now we can see it dropping a little. And now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, I told you today morning to 1750 is the support. Now I am also reiterating again, 1750 is the support, and now 1755 is the next support, because it is right now trading at 1760-61 levels. Yes, if you see it trading below 1760, you can try to initiate a short entry for a couple of dollars or maybe more than that. Maybe it can come back till towards 1755 levels. That should be a very good support level, and in fact if it draws below 1754-55 zone, then you can expect it to come back for 1750. Below 1750 you can expect a sharper drop and it can crash, but Let's see if it does. On the upside beyond 1765, remember 1770 is a very strong resistance for the day. 20 period moving average sitting there. So yes, it may provide a strong resistance for your gold to move further upwards. And if you look at the directional movement is bearish, willing to converge. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts, it is trying to reverse. See, it is seen from 1750 to 1730 levels. Almost, you can say $20 of move it is seen. And from 1747 to 1767, almost $20 of move it is seen. Probably it can come back and close the week at around 1747-48 levels itself. There is a high probability, but yes, once it breaks past 1765, stay long for 1770, and then it can in fact rise further till towards 1780 and 90 levels. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is near to overbought levels, crossing for downwards move. MACD is bearish and RSI is comfortable. Considering this, I will recommend you to take a long entry only if you see it trading beyond 1764. If you see it trading beyond 1764, expect 1765 and then 1770 levels can also be seen. Till the time it trades below 1764, probably the first resistance at 1760 is there. Below that, you may see it coming back till towards 1758-57 zone and then 1754-55. Till here, it has got very strong support till 1754. Below that, we may see it dropping for 1750. And below that, it may crash. If it drops below 1750, it is going to crash. I don't think so that it may break 1750 levels today. But yes, you can go short at around 1760. Be cautious, be careful. 17 till 1754-55, it has got supports at 58-57 and then 54-55 zone, and these are the levels where it may find very strong support for any further downward move. So take if you are trading and taking a short entry at 1760, be very cautious. For just couple of dollars or for just a little move, you are putting at stake much. But yes, if you are taking a short entry, 1764 should be the stop loss, because beyond 1764 you have to go long. So be careful. Yes, and rather if you are a safe trader, now I don't think so any good long entries is there. Only buy entries above 1765 levels. If you see it trading beyond 1765, go long for 1770 levels. On the downside, only short entry I will recommend is below 1750 levels. So in between these $14-15, now do not trade. Trade accordingly, trade safely. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100 on the hourly chart. See, this is the trend line in which it is trading, higher lows. Now if you see it dropping below the zone at 12,980, go short again below 12,980. You can expect 12,960 as the first support, then 12,940 as the next support. If it drops below 12,920, it is going to crash, so be watchful. And if you look at the hourly chart, see these two candles were a retracement, and now it is trying to again take the same direction, again trying to drop from here. If you look at the directional movement is bullish, stochastic is comfortable here. The MACD is bullish so far, willing to converge crossover. RSI was overbought, now at a comfortable level now. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see how beautifully it is. The lows are connected here. See the previous 3 candles, the lows are very well connected. Yes, if you see it dropping below 12,980, you can go short. Below 12,980, you can again expect 12,950 and 12,920. See, dropping below 12,920 will call for a stronger drop on the downside. See, it has completed the journey till here. Almost the top is done, and beyond 13,070, it will call for further rise till towards 13,100, 13,130 and then 13,200 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic was at now looking downwards. MACD is bullish, willing to converge here. And if you look at the RSI, this is comfortable here. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, too, see it has formed a wick out there. It can form a tail, and possibly once you see it dropping below 12,980, yes, take a short entry. Then see till 12,920 and in fact 12,900, it can reverse any point of time. Be cautious till there, but below 12,900 it will call for a stronger drop, and then 12,850-800 levels can again be seen. Go short at 12,980. Be cautious, trade with caution, with very strict stop loss at around 13,020 itself. You have to keep a tight stop loss because it is still bullish till the time it trades about 12,900. It can bounce back or reverse any point of time. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is near to overbought levels. MACD is wide divergent bullish. It must start to converge from here. RSI comfortable on the 3-hour charts. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, see on the 4-hour charts, lower highs are formed and this previous candle has seen a red candle and it was bearish in nature. Now in fact if it tries to rise, see, you have to wait till 13,070. Only if it rises beyond 13,070, I will recommend a long entry. That 13,100, 13,130 can be taken as the target. Else once it draws below 12,980, go short, and then you can expect, see, here is the resistance at 12,980. Once it draws below this, you can expect it to come back till towards 12,950, 12,920, and below 12,900 definitely it will call for a stronger fall. Be careful. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is again at near to overbought levels. The MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is comfortable. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, I told you previous two candles, if you look at exactly the mirror image here. See these two candles, exactly the mirror image between 12,800 to 13,000. They both lied. And now it is trying to give you the symmetry of this. We may see a lower highs till towards it is below 13,200. Possibility of it achieving those levels are high if it continues to trade about 12,900. Till the time it trades about 12,900, the possibility of it achieving 13,100 is strong, and then 13,180, 170 levels is strong. Once it drops below 12,900, it will again try to fall for 12,800, and in fact this time it can give you further lows, and then we can see it dropping strongly below 12,800 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold here, trying to come out of this zone. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish, and RSI is trying to slope with a positive slope, trying to trade with a positive slope. And now see, if till the time probably you can take a short entry at 12,980, but you have to be very cautious, very aware. Till the time it trades about 12,900, one can consider it as still bullish and it can bounce back, but below 12,900 one can definitely remain further short, and then you can expect it to drop heavily. 12,800 definitely a stronger support, and below 12,800 it will call for further more drop. So go short at 12,980, and below 12,980 you can expect 12,950 as the first support, 12,920 as the next support, and 12,900 as the last support. Below 12,900 we may see a very good fall till towards 12,850 and 12,800 levels, and below that we may see it crashing for 12,600 levels also. And on the upside, go long at 13,070. Beyond that you can expect 13,130, 13,200 levels, which is going to be a very good resistance. So first pit stop at 13,100, then 13,130, and then 13,180, rather I will say 13,170, 180 levels, and then 13,200 levels. So almost 130 points you will get if you go long at 13,70 levels. Yes, you can go long there, and a good short entry is below 12,980. But remember, till 12,900 it can reverse again. So your short entry has to be very careful and very precise, and with a strict stop loss and a trailing stop loss. So take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you appreciate my effort, you can join and become a patron. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. The contribution is very minimalistic. At the same time, there is another tier which I have added, that is specifically for signals and one-to-one support. There you can directly reach me, approach me, and we can have a discussion on all of your trading or training queries, and any position if you want to take, you can discuss with me there, and also you can get the signals out there. So become a member in the patron page. The link is mentioned in the description. Also, you can be part of my membership batch, mentorship batch. The mentorship batch is a 15-day session, 90 minutes daily, and the strategies which I will teach will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts of US30. And if you see the hourly charts, see it is trying to come out of this channel. This was the bullish channel in which US30 traded so far. Now the resistance here at 33,120 levels, only above 33,120 you can go long again. Then I will look forward to 33,300. Till the time it trades below 33,120, and remember, see there is a support, a little support here at 33,000 33,030 levels, and then 33,000. Below that, yes, you can expect a drop again for 32,950, 32,900, and below that we may see a very good drop. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is oversold here on the hourly charts. MACD is willing to cross over for a bearish move. It was in the bullish zone so far. RSI is comfortable. Likewise, if you see the 2-hour charts, it is coming out of this bullish channel and trying to trade bearish. It has formed the wick. Possibly in the next 30 minutes it can try to drop again. At the same time, because we have seen the two red candles, if it trades beyond 33,120 levels, possibly you can go long there and expect we may see it coming back till towards 33,180, 200, and beyond that it will fly high. So be watchful. And on the downside, be watchful of 32,950. Below 32,950, it will call for another drop till towards 32,900, and then below that a crash can happen. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bullish, trying to converge from here. RSI trading flat here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, the observation there is that it is getting the support here at 33,040. Possibly below 33,040, you can again initiate a short entry, and then you can expect 33,010, 33,000 to provide a support, and then below that you can expect it to get a support from 32,950. Below 32,950, we may see a very good drop for 32,900, 850 levels, and below that we may see further crash. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bullish, willing to converge from here. Let's see if it does. And RSI is comfortable. On the 4-hour charts, yes, it is trying to break out, and possibly once it drops below 33,000, this will confirm that it is going to break heavily. Then 32,950, 32,900 levels can be seen, and in fact it can drop till towards 32,800 and below levels. Be very cautious and alert. Above 33,120, you can go long, and you can again expect it to rise till towards 33,220 levels. Almost 100 points you will get there. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic again looking downwards. MACD is bullish here, divergent here. RSI is comfortable. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. I told you that here is the resistance from the 20 period moving average at 33,300. US30 shied away from those levels, and it is trying to trade or retrace again. See, one thing, if it is a minor retracement and US30 is still very bearish, I will expect it to drop below 32,900. Then only I will consider this as a bearish move today. Once it drops below 32,900, you can go short, and then we can expect a sharper fall for 32,600, 32,700, 600 levels also. So go short at 32,900 only, or rather that will be a comfortable short. Yes, you can go short here at 33,000, 33,040, 30 levels precisely. You can take a short entry here, but then expect that it may reverse any point of time at 33,000, 32,950, the next support. In between these levels, it can reverse any point of time. So you have to trade with the stop loss at cost if you are taking a short entry at 33,040. See, preserving your capital is the first motto. So you have to trade with the stop loss at cost. Let it get close 10,000 times. And if you have capital, you can enter 10,000 times. So yes, till at 33,040, you can take a short entry. Expect 33,000 to provide a support, 32,950 major support, 32,900 strongest support. Below that, if it drops below 32,900, stay short, and it is going to crash further. On the upside, I will recommend a long entry at 33,120 levels. But remember, beyond 33,120, it is going to get the resistance at 33,220 levels. And then beyond that, we may see it hitting 33,300 levels, which is a very strong resistance. Beyond 33,300, sky is the limit. Take your positions accordingly. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.